And hi again, everybody out there. Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another 3-Minute Thursdays. 3 tips in 3 minutes, more or less. And this time round, it's more of a what you can do rather than how you can do it. What I've got here in my Excel is a typical example of a raw data file. I've got expenses here that we've incurred in a particular month and how much we spent on that particular expense just by cost code. And I can scroll down and I can see more and more information. And if I go right to the bottom, Control End on the keyboard, it takes me right to the bottom. Now, a lot of you who have been along to our courses would have seen this and how it's all done. But what I want to do is just to show you the end result. Get Excel to do the work for you. Don't just use it as a fancy calculator. So, for example, it's already been set up with my expenses here, the raw data. I just want to create the report. And we've already got the button set up here, Format Data Monthly Cash Flow. I click that. And there we go, pretty much in a blink of an eye, there's a brand new page with my monthly cash flow. The raw data is on the other tab or the other page. I can go back to that raw data and I can say, right, I need a report just on the expenses for each, for the whole year, the total of all the expenses. We've already got that set up here with another button, Format Data, give me an expenses analysis report. I click that. And in another blink of the eye, there's a new page, another new page with my total of each expense for the whole year. And then the other thing I can do with all this is bring in some new data. So here's some new data that's going to be put on top of the old. And all I'm going to do is just highlight all this and go Control C, back to the raw data. I go down to the end and I need to add on to this old data, the brand new data. I just click at the first blank cell, I press Control V on the keyboard, and that adds the new data to the old. All I've got to do now is just go back to the top here, go click, hit the button again, and there's my updated report. You can see the brand new months have come in, and that new data has been included with the old data to update the report. I'll just go back and run the other report. So back to here, I go Format Data, Expense Analysis this time. And again, the new data that's come in has been included in the report. We've added new data to the old, and the report just updates that and gives me a new updated report. What I would do then is use my little shortcut I've already put on the quick access toolbar here, where I'm just going to email this as a PDF to my manager or my client or whatever it might be. I'll just click this. And in the blink of an eye, there's a brand new email in Outlook attached with the report already converted to a PDF. And I can just preview this before I send it off. I'll just double click. And there's a report about to go to my manager or whoever, and I'll come out of this, back to the email, I complete that, send it off, bang, I'm back to work. So this is a great example, people, of getting Excel to do the work for you. So there you go, people. As I said, just more of a what you can do rather than how you do all this. Great examples of how you can make Excel do the work for you and also make it a bit more user-friendly. We cover all this in our Excel courses. Have a look on our website for when they are scheduled. And Mark Mannering signing off for this time. Until next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.